Hey there, in this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to connect to the selector for the first time with Face Mobile. To proceed, you will need the FSD5 selector and an active internet connection. First, tap Search to start scanning for nearby selectors. Once it's done, you'll see a list of available devices. Now, switch to the selector. Press and hold the face logo for 5 seconds to enable the pairing process until you hear a sound. Then, press Connect and Pair. All operators connected to the chosen selector will be listed. Enter the PIN provided by the installer and press Login. Typing the PIN and pairing devices will no longer be required for this operator. And that's it. You're now connected to Face Operator.